The C400 typically refers to the Mercedes-Benz C400, a luxury sports sedan that sits in a sweet spot within the C-Class lineup. In the Mercedes-Benz hierarchy, the C400 was introduced to provide a more refined and powerful driving experience for those who wanted more punch than a standard sedan but didn't want the aggressive stiffness or price tag of a full-blown AMG C63. Features high-quality materials like wood trim, Burmester surround sound systems, and premium leather seating. Equipped with Dynamic Select, allowing the driver to switch between Comfort, Eco, Sport, and Sport Plus modes to change the car's personality. Includes the Command Infotainment System, advanced driver assistance, like collision prevention, and often an optional airmatic suspension for a smoother ride. It is highly regarded for its 6K resolution, advanced autofocus capabilities, and versatile RF lens mount. It sits between the C300 and C500 series, designed for productions that need cinema-quality visuals in a compact, flexible body. This usually refers to a specific model of a compactor or roller used in road construction and civil engineering projects. These are specialized, heavy-duty machines designed to flatten and stabilize soil, gravel, or asphalt. This refers to the Xerox VersaLink C400,